Here's a fast word workflow for drafting a literature review, organizing sources, and keeping citations consistent. You'll create a clear structure, add source notes, and keep your references easy to update. Start by outlining the review. Go to Home, then use heading 1 for major sections like themes, methods, and research gaps. Choose Home, Styles, then heading 1. Next, insert your citations. Next, open references to insert in text citations and keep every source attached to the right paragraph. Then finish with your reference list. Then build your reference list from the same tab, so every citation and bibliography entry stays consistent. Pro tip: write theme-based headings first, then synthesize sources under each one instead of summarizing article by article. If you're already writing the review in Word, GenText can keep citations and your bibliography in sync. GenText is a free Word add-in for citations and bibliography.